Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chantel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I went ahead and a few weeks back, Hush announced that they were doing a lot of discounts, so I went ahead and placed an order. So let's get right into this. If you want to see what I got from Hush, continue to watch this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open the box up. Try and be careful because I'm not sure how they packaged this one. Box safety is not my forte. Okay. They bubble wrapped it. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. Probably shouldn't have done that. Okay. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is a set of lashes from Bad Habit. Oh, they are the chiffon lashes. So this is what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try those out in an upcoming video. I'm not gonna do them today, but I right now only have one set of falsies. So I figured I would grab a set and add to my collection. Pretty sure the remainder of what's in here, there's only 3 things, so it's not a whole lot, but they are palettes. So the first one is the Amazonia palette from Face Candy. This is what the box looks like. The embossing on it is very nice. It's very smooth feeling. Open this up and I'll show you guys what the colors look like. Apparently, the makeup doesn't want to be seen. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. And on the back, it does show you the different pans and the names of the colors. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. There are, I believe, 14. Had to check. I suck at adding really quickly. So there are 14 different colors in here. It does come with that mirror, so that's actually something that I really like with palettes. I don't so much like when they don't come with that mirror. It's just easier to hold it and use it. The next thing we have in here is the Sugar palette. This one is by Face Candy, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but the Amazonia is also by their brand Face Candy as well. The Sugar palette, this is what the box looks like. There are 18 colors in this palette. This is a dupe for the Too Faced Peach palette. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing as I'm opening this box is the palette. I don't know if you can hear that. It's tin, just like the Too Faced palettes are for the peaches. Oh yeah. So this one just clicks together because it is the tin palette. It also has a mirror in it. And this is what this bad boy looks like. Now I know that the Too Faced version has a scent to it, and this one does not. I kind of anticipated that it wasn't gonna have a scent because I myself went ahead and I watched a review on this palette knowing that I was gonna get it. It just smells like makeup, so I'm not sure where they're getting the idea that it's gonna be chemically smelling. So, yeah, this one's not so bad. I'm really loving the colors. They are in different positions than the Too Faced palette, just like all of these palettes are gonna have the colors in different spots than the dupe or the regular palettes. But the colors all look pretty true to what the Too Faced had. I do see a little bit of this one color here called Whipped Cream is on the edge of the pan. So that's really the only blemish that it has. I feel like the packaging that Hush did for these products really protected them. So that's a bonus as well, because I know that a lot of people have been complaining lately that they haven't really heard back from customer service and that they're getting their products and they're broken. So I was a little concerned at first, but so far the shipping has been great for it. So that's a bonus if that's something you were worried about. Okay, and so now we're on the last palette in the box. This is actually the one I was most excited for. So I already had a palette from Shop Hush. It is the Athena palette. I actually used it for my makeup today just to kind of stay in theme with the video. but I ordered the wrong one when I got the Athena palette. I got it last year and I actually wanted to order the Aphrodite palette, and I was choosing between the two, settled on Aphrodite, accidentally ordered Athena, so I finally got my Aphrodite palette. This one is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty. I believe it's supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So this is what the box looks like. There are 18 shades in here. Now, this palette is from Bad Habit, the same brand that the falsies are from. Just gonna go ahead and open this up. It is a magnetized case as well, and it does have that mirror in it. And this is what the shades look like. So all of these shades do have the name of the shade underneath them, and I believe the other two palettes are like that as well. The other thing is, this palette does not show the pan on the back of it, but because it has the names on the inside, I really like that. Let me look at this real quick. The Sugar palette is the same way. It tells you the name underneath the pan for the eyeshadow. The only one that tells you on the back is the Amazonia palette, like I showed earlier, but it also has the names underneath the colors as well. So you guys, this was really it for my Hush haul today. I know it's a quick, short to the point video, but I'm actually gonna be coming up with some looks in the future for videos for each of these palettes individually. I didn't really wanna do any swatches on them at this point because when I do the looks, I am gonna show a couple of swatches, so I didn't wanna ruin that at this point. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you wanna see some more Hush hauls, please let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post. I am going to be posting every single Monday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!